Back to my channel. It's your girl Mrs. Always Lovely, and today I have a different background because I'm at my mom's house doing this video because my 2 packages came in. Oh my gosh, forget that, whatever, I don't care. Oh god. Okay, so yeah, so I subscribed to Scentbird, and it is this subscription right here. Okay, Aiden, say hey. Hey. Okay, say bye. Bye. Okay. Alright, so yeah. So when you get your package and you open it, you get this little card. And the June perfume of the month is called Perfumes. I can't even pronounce that, so I'm not. So yeah, stop, Aiden. And then the next thing is the little postcard, and it just tells you how to open your perfume and all of that. So yeah, so it comes in this cute little baggie, and it says Scentbird New York. And then when you open it up, it comes in this cute little tube. Really? And you open it, or you twist it up, and this is the perfume. Let's spray it. It smells really good. It's Capri Vents. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it has pink grapefruit, peach blossom, vanilla, and violet flower. And okay, anyway, and it's an invigorating citrus blend, washes over a floral bouquet of peach blossom and violet flower to reveal a rich mixture of musk and vanilla. And it's like a cool breeze off the Mediterranean Sea. Capri Vents Camuto will transport your senses. This floral, fruity fragrance speaks to the serendipity of finding the place in the world where you are free to be your best self. So yeah, this yeah, I'm sorry you guys. So yeah, this is a good subscription. I think you get to try each month. You get to try a high-end perfume, and it's like $14.95 a month, I believe. So yeah, so this is my first one for June. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye, love bugs.